Hello, and welcome to my video on one of the most influential books on personal success ever written, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Published during the Great Depression, this book has inspired millions of people worldwide to achieve their goals and attain financial freedom. In this video, I will provide you with a comprehensive summary of the book, highlighting the key principles that have helped people succeed for decades. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a professional seeking to advance your career, or just someone who wants to improve your life, the insights from this book will be incredibly valuable. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich. The Power of Thought. The book emphasizes the power of thought and how it can be used to achieve success. Hill argues that success is not achieved by chance, but through a strong desire, belief, and the power of thought. The author stresses the importance of thinking positively and eliminating negative thoughts and beliefs that can hinder success. The importance of a definite purpose. According to Hill, having a clear and definite purpose is essential to achieving success. He suggests that individuals should set a specific goal and focus their energy on achieving it. He emphasizes that having a purpose gives direction and helps individuals stay motivated and focused. Persistence and determination. Hill emphasizes the importance of persistence and determination in achieving success. He argues that setbacks and failures are an inevitable part of the journey toward success, and individuals should be prepared to persist through them. He believes that successful people are those who never give up and continue to pursue their goals, even when faced with challenges. Mastermind Alliance. The book encourages individuals to form a mastermind alliance, a group of like-minded individuals who work together to achieve a common goal. Hill believes that a mastermind group can help individuals to achieve success faster than they would on their own. He argues that a mastermind alliance can provide support, encouragement, and new ideas. The subconscious mind. The book suggests that the subconscious mind plays a crucial role in achieving success. Hill argues that individuals can program their subconscious minds with positive thoughts and beliefs, which will help them to achieve their goals. He emphasizes that the subconscious mind is powerful and can influence behavior and decisions. The 6 Steps to Wealth. Hill outlines 6 steps to achieving wealth, including setting a definite goal, creating a plan, taking action, being persistent, having faith, and developing a mastermind alliance. He believes that following these steps can help individuals achieve financial success and overcome obstacles. The power of positive thinking. Hill stresses the importance of positive thinking and the impact it can have on one's success. He argues that individuals should focus on positive thoughts and eliminate negative thoughts and beliefs. He believes that positive thinking can lead to success, and that individuals can train their minds to think positively. The Law of Attraction. The book discusses the law of attraction, which suggests that individuals attract what they focus on. Hill argues that individuals can attract success by focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs. He believes that individuals can influence their environment and attract opportunities by focusing on their goals and visualizing success. The importance of imagination. Hill suggests that imagination is a powerful tool for achieving success. He believes that individuals can use their imagination to visualize their success and create a plan for achieving it. He argues that imagination is essential in developing new ideas and that individuals should cultivate and use their imagination to achieve their goals. The power of decision. Hill emphasizes the importance of making decisions and taking action. He argues that indecision and procrastination can hinder success, and individuals should make decisions quickly and take action to achieve their goals. He believes that successful people are those who take action and make decisions, even in the face of uncertainty and risk. Overall, Think and Grow Rich is a practical guide to achieving success through the power of thought, positive thinking, and action. It provides a roadmap to success that can be applied to any area of life, including business, finance, and personal development. By following the principles outlined in the book, individuals can develop the mindset and habits necessary to achieve their goals and attain financial freedom. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Prime Mind for more content just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep improving.